Okay, so oven is preheated. It's been warming up for about an hour now. Here's our homemade dough, which if you go back to prior videos, you'll see how to make it. We'll take semolina flour, fine, and we'll sprinkle it over the dough. And then we're going to scoop it right out. We're going to take a little bit of semolina and we're going to put it on top of our counter as well. Once we have our dough on our counter, what we're going to do is we're going to start working a border outwards. We're going to push all the air towards the out crust of the dough. We're just going to press, and it's going to look just like that. Once we have a good border, we're going to lift it and we're going to pull, turn and pull, turn and pull, turn and pull, turn and pull. And we'll put it right back down. That gives you about a 10-inch pie. I'm just going to make a simple New York style pizza today. Nice and easy, and that's how you stretch the dough. A little sauce, a little grated cheese. I'm going to top it with some shredded mozzarella. I'm going to top with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, so I have two of my harshest critics. Take a bite, guys. What do you think?
Okay. Good. This is the best pizza that I ever tasted.
Yeah, buddy. All right. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. And if there's any other videos you'd like, please comment, let me know, and I'd love to do it for you.